Hello guys, so welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on Odatejish TV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. And also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and loved ones.
I'm just stunned and I'm so awesome girl. Like, you're cool and I love with you and they love you so much. You are so real. Yeah, and I've seen you market it. You what about I think last year what about online, and she's so like you will buy it. Better. She's so forceful and I'm glad you're here.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And we need Ghana Niger Showbiz Award, a Celebrity Entrepreneur of the Year.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Woo! That's nice. Cool.
So, Poloo, a one corner beton, and our plans are the products and our brands biba.
My plans be brave, yeah, my plans be brave. Yama be brave, and come person me this year by same be brave. Ebe to my name, but me when say BBS BI and Yamia coin because they be this time and Yami person me din Yami person me de bano. Eba Yami buana mitini fee in same ni movie.
As I'm not saying our court, right?
Bacho you.
It's only
Bacho Davi.
Oh. And not in a person a backup once.
Consent
on why you are here.
Yeah.
It may also be much to say, Poloo the prisoner.
Oh, Abe. You yourself can testify to it. Say you're paying for baby.
Yeah.
Was it Nelson Mandela or someone? Was in prison.
Yes.
Yes. Open Pompia. They should watch me. Whoever will sit anywhere to call me the prisoner, they should look at me very well, and they will never know when. I don't know Cardi B from anywhere, and for how come I be pay honor before God and man, I have no idea. I didn't think so. Your best friend person member because Cardi B will have a surprise birthday party. It's a prisoner dear. Manko we are the no more demi tumu. Manko kumobi. Manko jiobi kunu. Manko wo bi sikan.
Yeah.
Mene meba. Me ye mistake. Me ye bibi a me nim se and se me ye. And no mo chi me tumu. And I too. Aso chinya me say. Ubaya boni. Aso chini beba. On siano. Ti o mechu aso na ma wasesa. Ana masesa. Iti who from Poloo the prisoner unya me here. Then watch out. If you the same mouth out different prisoners see when God open doors and make me bigger, unko baby in kasima koye juju na my big. Because there's so much of Brumpobia Shasia dear. You'll be a prisoner. Joseph was saying one man and do. Yes. So calling me a prisoner doesn't even do anything to me. My me he paid him some me prison.
What have you learned? I mean, I know say you've learned a lot, but in the industry, somewhere supporting you, somewhere against you, somewhere your friends. Maybe you are wonderful, you be your wonderful. What's them so buy no? You so can be, you see funny tune then I was share what the whole entertainment industry.
Oh. But in all, no, I would say Ghana love me. The whole world love me. Whoever hated me, whoever did whatever to see me in prison or to see me suffer, I don't care. But for me to be out now, to be here with you, Abe, I'll say God love me, the whole world love me, and Ghana love me.
Sorry.
Yeah, me call Rema.
Rema.
What child?
Rema.
What child?
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry, consider the
me to me got 10 years, but that menya coin. Me to me.
What press conference? One or beer or Ghana entertainment industry? What would you can hear press conference? Nay, you should be a press. When I hear press conference, ma, Tata so hear press conference.
Yeah.
State of the nation address. Ma, okonfo kwa dem pa ibi. Why are they pa? One we kwangama entertainment full of you.
Face setter. Woo!
Atade I will share for press conference and people say, obvious was a Namorian Atari, no feeling.
She was looking fabulous.
Minim says atare no ukaya.
Ma atare no. Se e kata me hu nyina. Atare ada me share ne kata me hu. O se na atare na me share Brazil cap o.
Eh bustier na. Bustier.
And one so no funim.
Yeah.
Polo ade so.
No, usually osha wo jina ha ya okay, but what's nasia na e push bakakra.
I said bofro pop.
Oh, come on. I'm very cool.
Yeah, babonti. Wow. Okay, so Polo, yen track a warno, obi pe woni bia. Saying marketing, there may be marketing with the P's in marketing, the product, the price, the place, and the promotion or the physical evidence. Said you will be who. Sign will be pe woni bi obenya on struggle. Do you have it in shops? Be no pay so online on benya. Kwan be so no me fa so a obenya woni bi.
Abe. Say no. Problem am work akra ne say. Nko be bre say me beja wo shop ma. But Polo me hu ya o mete. Anything about Polo no. Sinye ye hu ya no. Abe me nko ma ton hani no for the past 2 years me nya asem. Me suro ni party me esu. Inte e mama ntimi nko cha wo bishop because that year some china pe. Obi kwa kotobi. Me lebu na bon. Me lebu bon e bia na nye mimi product na shem. Ni party me esu pa. Obi bottle na me de ton je common. For designers bet me designing the same thing. But e bia na ya me hand na shem. Obi kwa kotobi ni yemba ya ni ya. Me koto Polo hani. Ni esandi me akochi.
Akibud, can't you see that Polo is very intelligent?
Can't you see how I'm looking at her? Like, I'm like, oh my gosh, she's thinking about all this. That is so cool. Yeah, very deep.
You cannot judge a book by its cover.
I know. Wow. Jinx.
No, she doesn't want her brand to be adulterated
at all. So what you deliver it yourself? Wow, that is so cool.
Me person me to be na wa de brand no fie na nkrofo se ma to woni. Me ma wa ba be deliver e wo me fie. I'll call you by Thursday. I want you to come and deliver. Baba so na me ne wa be be na yesu ya handle. This will also affirm our support for them.
Yeah. And I think it's a privilege. Like me, so me talk honey, me or my other honey. Na me sha na Akuapem Poloo na me feel. Oh my God! Like a star is in my house. It's so fun and it's so cool. Yeah.
And also can strategy no. I don't crack on a boy na meet me ton.
Oh,
because no insem man kasi na me deliver. Me need delivery service in there.
Maybe me exams this week for the first semester.
I can't wait.
Wow.
And then I'm studying marketing strategy. Now sometimes people don't understand why we do what we do. This lady Enco marketing school, but under the new marketing, the new marketing is called relationship marketing. The new marketing is not transactional marketing, but relationship marketing. What we are studying in school, and I believe that the approach of Akuapem Poloo is the best example that one can cite in any marketing way, relationship marketing or product now. No one can say they didn't see that.
Yes.
A lot of people can learn from this.
Yeah.
There's a lot we can learn from people, but when we close our dream, learning, and in fact, I made it back. Yeah, not me see me Babeka learning. And the essence of learning is to get educated. Now you get education and you walk in a classroom. We have education, the formal education, we have informal education, and we have intuitive education. We have people get confused with schooling. Say education. Schooling is one of the platforms to get educated. But any schooling one is educated. Now you can't be educated. Who is an educated person? An educated person is a person who is able to solve problems. An educated person is a person who is able to solve problems in his or her area or field of endeavor. And she said, and Rabbi share marketing, self-taught marketing. And you know how I can say marketers are born and they can also be trained.
Yeah.
What was on one casa and who said, make product, me person will be the quackody, and will be uncasually Akuapem Poloo. Any problem because on one at tongue to on one at the brain. What? See, Anna, you said I'm good also Sony muscle. You see, Ghana, we need to learn. We can learn from people.
Yes.
I have learned something from them.
Yeah.
Say, business be a me be a. Say, me and Kasami did business name to an more. The relationship.
High five.
I am so impressed. I'm overwhelmed. Yeah, the come to any baby. What the telephone number bet you guys will be sexy polo pure honey. We 100% pure honey. Now me to be Thursday. Na midi na mama obi no etwa no obi ara hwe said the Akuapem Poloo
Mr. Metobi ish na ya me the honey strade no ne the dware ni ade ne nti I would love to have some from you. Yeah. All right.
Okay, to follow my contact.
Yeah. But you also person to sexy polo pure honey ni bia. Ubet me afre 0245 69 63 69
0245 69 63 69 0245 69 63 69 Sexy Poloo pure honey. Upibia ubinye bi ato.
Instagram page for it.
Sexy Poloo pure honey.
Oh, okay.
Your final words now, yeah, article 1 so and make it
Bache. Nyam pesa me kachre ma shefo ma boafo ene abe etiefo nso ene say omo koso a na omo support me ena se me e bibi nso a omo correct me e ma omo bunfu me ena nyomu wo social media no mo fan judge me because omo who outsider they will be surprised because me nyane bebre nko futi me oh Poloo omo jo oh it me pa omo cho and omo mom pines and omo pines omo kai me because me court case me wie na nyame nsu a me asungemu because anything me ko Nigeria nko ye me adwuma no omo start show no me ko ye on Nigeria back because of me court case me nko
Sorry. Abe.
Yeah.
Yeah, and see, I am mobile prayer. If you say a prayer, say one for Akuapem Poloo.
Why are there because say university marketing strategy.
She's got it. Effortlessly. Naturally.
With relationship marketing.
Yeah.
To me, said you can say there's a family, there's a particular customer, a whole household. They buy from her.
Yeah.
Which is a marketing. There's a
now. Yeah.
Feedback. I wish you all the best, and I pray that when you'll be big, you'll be great.
Amen.
She is.
Let's say for so far who Brasil, I can be dealing to Pani and the Pekani de here because a bedroom review na Sani Pano and the Kunabia no here more. So I just say, see how we business, we entrepreneur, no should we will be our support. And no beefing, don't beef anybody, but stay focused. Stay focused. There are people who like when you're in the tree, only move Jesus Christ na Herod. I plan is me when I hear people don't like me. do I even think about it? Because I didn't go between the doors where my men guys will be massive. Focus on those who love you and focus on your energy, your strength. I did away a dim fast about and as an entrepreneur, I saw we develop creating your more. I saw your name be brave. Polo look crabby to me, a polo. I can say, if you don't count the one about now the polo, so I know. I'm top polo at the now the baby cow. And you know, we wish you all the best and thank you so much for making time to come on our show. Akuapem Poloo, what said the Nigeria for so more promoting? What said the Nigeria for a promoting? Ghana for a bit swear BBA was sad, a bit boy. The negative sensationalism, you know, Akuapem Poloo who was swear BBA film, or swear BBA film, all out, you know, or Bobo being dealings and same baby, she has learned her lesson. If you do a mistake, a trouble. And says I was aware of starting. Now, thank you so much for coming. I wish